Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm back with another tutorial, and in this video we are gonna learn how to sign out of Nintendo account on all devices step by step. First of all, launch open any web browser and type in nintendo.com in the URL box and log in. Once you're inside the home page of Nintendo, go to the upper right corner and click on your name. And now from the expanded menu, scroll down and click on Nintendo Account Overview. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page where you need to click Account Settings. Under Account Settings, click on Sign in and Security. Scroll all the way down from Sign in and Security and click View right next to Sign in History. Now on the next page, you'll see this Sign Out from All Devices button. Click on that and confirm by clicking Sign Out once again in the pop-up. Soon after you click Sign Out in the pop-up, you'll be signed out of your Nintendo account on all services across all devices. You need to sign in again so that you can use those services. So that is how you can easily sign out of all devices on Nintendo.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.